There's a moment every developer hits where something just feels wrong. For TW93, it was watching his laptop slowly suffocate. Open Slack, half a gig gone. Open Discord, there goes another chunk. Open Notion, hundreds of megabytes burned before a single keystroke. No heavy workloads, no builds running, just apps. So he did what any of us would do when something doesn't make sense. He popped the hood. And the answer was kind of absurd. Every desktop app he was using wasn't really an app. It was a website bundled with an entire Chromium browser instance. Over and over again, Electron everywhere. Each app dragging along its own full engine, its own memory footprint, its own overhead. An empty Electron app? Approximately 150 megabytes RAM before you even click. Now multiply that by 10, 12, 15 apps. You're not running apps anymore. You're running a fleet of redundant browsers pretending to be software. That realization bothered him enough to do something about it. In 2022, he started building Paah Keh. The idea is almost offensively simple. Take a web page, turn it into a desktop app, without shipping a full browser with it. He built it in Rust on top of Tauri, lean by default, no unnecessary baggage. Then he tried it on Slack. Slack's official desktop app, 524 megabytes. His version, 8 megabytes. Not optimized, not tweaked, just built differently. That's not a small win, that's a completely different philosophy. Now, fast forward 4 years. The repo has tens of thousands of stars, thousands of forks, MIT licensed, still actively maintained, still getting commits. And the apps? ChatGPT, Discord, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, YouTube, Twitter, Excalidraw, wrapped, compiled, and shipped under 10 megabytes. Native, clean, no excess. Or you just point Paah Keh at any URL and generate your own in one command. No friction, no bloat, no pretending. Slack, from 524 megabytes to 8 megabytes. Discord, from 265 megabytes to 9 megabytes. ChatGPT, 260 megabytes to 9 megabytes. Same services, radically different footprint. What stands out isn't just the efficiency, it's that this didn't come from a company trying to disrupt something. No funding rounds, no think pieces, no marketing narrative about killing Electron. Just one developer who got annoyed enough to fix the problem properly. He didn't argue about it. He shipped. I hope this was helpful. If you like this content, please consider subscribing and following fossy.dev for more. See you on the next exciting world of FOSS.